You'll get in here in a minute. She's a little one. She's so tiny.
Yeah, that is a tiny one.
She's so tiny.
She looks so cute.
There's a little boy
Well, that's
right
a
there.
tiny one too. Sadie's litter right here.
Rufus.
Mom,
Hey, boy.
here's the tiniest litter in Sadie's litter. This one.
Yeah.
She's stinking on the gate.
That's all right.
Girl, you should have went poo-poo on the blanket or outside on the brick.
Here's Duchess. Hey, Duchess.
Oh, that one's so cute, Mama. The little girl was
Look.
in the middle.
What are you doing?
Why'd you poo-poo on the gate?
Rachel. Let's see. What you doing? Hey, boy. Come here. Y'all ready to go to sleep? Come here.
Ma, do you like them?
Let's see if I can get all of them in. What y'all doing? She's so tiny.